We all know the recent winner on the latest Misfits boxing card, HSTickyTocky, for his positive remarks towards women on TikTok Live.
You're fit, you are.
Not only does HS run the TikTok Live, he also posts his crypto guru lifestyle on Instagram. Watches, cars, crashed cars, but most importantly, him in Dubai. HS first started off his social media career doing TikTok Lives and collaborating with the likes of OnlyFans models and none other than the General G. It was unclear at the time what HS was doing to actually feed himself throughout this time, but in light of recent posts by some of his former comrades, we can sort of get a clear understanding of what he was doing in order to flaunt the lifestyle. HS dropped an Instagram story with a Telegram link for a trading group a very long time ago. I went through the process to join the free group, and sure enough, they added me in. Across the month of August 2024, I've gone back in the chats and read each signal and documented each one either as a win or a loss. I'm unsure if you can delete the chats in Telegram, but we're going to operate under the assumption that you can, since when I followed the signals a while ago, I did indeed lose money. In order to join this free Telegram, you must deposit £300 into the brokerage account, which HS will definitely be getting a royalty from the brokerage for this. Unfortunately, I lost the messages with the support team from HS's Signal Room, so I don't even know what brokerage it is, since I didn't deposit the money. I just finessed my way into the group, but don't tell anyone. I already make money trading today, so this Signal group coming to me around the start of the year was a blessing, because I didn't make money at the start of the year. I thought that, wow, now I can have a fully automated way to make money with no effort. When I started putting the time and effort into trading though, it really started to pay off, more than what these signals did. Here is what the chat looks like. It's straight up buy, sell with all your targets laid out for you. Quite nice if I say so myself. It was difficult to go back and read each signal, because sometimes they have multiple trades open at once. I had to figure out what they were talking about when they say TP1 hit. Here are a few considerations and criteria you need to know about my results. Trade either hits TP1 or TP2 profit. If I see TP2 hit, I use that as my baseline. There is no TP2 hit, I calculated a full exit at TP1. The data may be skewed. Since I trade futures, I am so clueless when it comes to Forex lot sizing, but I tried to make it as realistic as possible. We also took no trades on oil futures. It was also scary seeing HS post about what a bad week it has been. Very dodgy since we still made a profit. But before we get into that, subscribe or you're gay. Here are my journal for each trade. There was about 50 trades to which HS's minions had about a 71.8% win rate. Not bad, if I do say so myself. The total net P&L for August was 1955 USD. An extra 2000 USD isn't bad per month, just by following signals. HS regularly posts a screen recording of his MT4 as well, so you can see all his numbers, and obviously, as you scale up, you'll make more money. The question remains unanswered. Should you actually copy HS and his minions trading? Probably not. Just because it made a profit doesn't mean that the signals will perform month on month. You're better to either go and get into trading yourself, learn your own strategy through backtesting, and taking part from gurus and influencers and making something that works for you. So just take for example, ICT concepts, mix it with TJR, mix it with trades by Matt type thing. Make your own strategy, backtest it, learn it, and then that's the best way to do it. But if you don't want to do that, a good example to learn trading and the quickest way is in the real world. That's how I learned. Andrew Tate's course, you can chat to like-minded people building their strategy, and the people in there are actually really helpful. That is how I learned the strategy that I'm currently trading today. And for this month, I made 14,000 USD. So the real world, an amazing tool, whether you like Andrew Tate or not, it's a very good tool, very useful, and connect with people on there to build your own strategy, because that's how you're going to make it in trading. Not by following these signals, not by having someone who goes on TikTok Live, calls women Lang, crashes a McLaren, gets all these views, and then drops a trading chat. But yes, the rundown for this is HS doesn't actually do the trades himself. He has people to post the trades in the Telegram, which is actually quite smart because he does have a paid group. I'm not in the paid group. I don't know how that performs, but if the free group performs like this, then paid group surely should perform very similar, since they would be the same traders. Thank you so much for watching. If you want another video, drop a like, drop a comment. You know what to do. And I'll see you in the next one.